today, but I see this flock of birds flying, so that's something good to aim at. See if we get any dragon flybys. Zoomed in 15 times here. And the zooming feels good. There's no that popping like 14 that I was mentioning. It's the LA County Coroner's Office. I've been wanting to check out this building. Actually, we could see the gates are open. That's probably security there, so I was gonna take a chance and walk in there, but you notice those windows, they're way low to the ground, and I know for sure this building goes underground because I've been in it before and I've been down to certain levels. And it was nothing terrible. I just got somehow got access in there. Anyway, this structure has my attention. I wonder about it. Date and all that. I'm not sure about the style. There's another window there. Yeah, too bad we can't. I know for sure that's security. Yeah, I'd like to do a 360 of it. Maybe we could dig into it more, but was gonna go in there. Camera kind of blurs out there in the zoom. Testing out the camera here.